Good evening. This is Nina Largo. I'm calling to make a table reservation at your restaurant.
Good evening, Miss Largo. Thank you for calling GML's Craves Restaurant. I'd be happy to assist you with that. May I know for what date and time you'd like to book the reservation, ma'am?
I'm looking to reserve a table for 2 people on July 3, 2025.
Let me check our availability for that date and time. Yes, we have availability. Would you prefer indoor or outdoor seating? Or do you have any preference for a specific area of the restaurant?
If possible, we'd prefer indoor. It's actually for a birthday, so something a bit more private will be appreciated.
Absolutely. We'll do our best to accommodate that. May I take down the name of the reservation and the contact number in case we need to reach you?
Certainly, the name is Nina Largo and the contact number is 0920-540-4526.
Thank you, Miss Largo. May I ask if there are any dietary restrictions or allergies we should be aware of? We can inform the kitchen in advance.
Yes, my partner is vegetarian, so we'd appreciate it if that could be taken into consideration.
Okay, ma'am. Noted. We'll make sure the kitchen is informed. Would you like us to prepare anything in advance, such as a cake, flowers on the table, or customers' menu for the occasions?
Actually, yes. It's my partner's birthday, so a small cake and at the end of the meal would be lovely chocolate, if possible.
Wonderful. We'll arrange that for you. A chocolate cake it is. Do you have a preference for the message to the cake?
Yes, could you write Happy Birthday, Bobby on it?
Of course, that's all noted. Just to confirm, your reservation is for 2 people on July 3, 2025 with a preference of indoor seating and a chocolate birthday cake that with a message Happy Birthday Bobby. Your contact number is 0920-540-4526.
Yes, that's correct. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, Miss Largo. We look forward to welcoming you and your guests. Please feel free to call us if there are any changes or if you need further assistance.
Will do. Thank you again and have a great day.
You too. Goodbye, ma'am, and thank you.